Hello, everyone, and welcome back once again. Today, we complete our 23rd book of the 52 Weeks, 52 Books Challenge. And the book that I've read, completed, and made notes of this week, just for you, is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. So, this book reconfirms and reiterates the fact that our attitude, our perspective of looking at things, people, and situation is what defines happiness for us. Our happiness and peace of mind is purely a matter of choice and not that of any consequence. The book also shares multiple strategies like the law of dominant thought, visualization, reframing, interpretation, etc., that help you build a strong and a super positive attitude towards life, irrespective of the situation that you're in. So, if you're someone who's always worried about the future, or if you're someone who's upset about his past, you feel quite stuck, or if you're unable to come out of it, you must read this book without fail. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली अगर आपके आसपास ऐसा कोई भी व्यक्ति है जो बहुत कंप्लेन करता है या जो बहुत नैगिंग करता है या करती है, मेक श्योर टू गिफ्ट दिस बुक टू देम विदाउट फेल. And just in case if you wish to buy this book or gift it to someone, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. Now, that being said, let's quickly move on to our learnings from the book. आपने बहुत सारे motivational speakers को ये कहते हुए सुना होगा that whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you are always right. And the fact that बड़ा बनने के लिए बड़ा सोचना जरूरी है. Attitude is everything में जेफ केलर साहब कहते हैं that it is important to think big, but that is only the beginning. बड़ा बनने के लिए केवल बड़ा सोचना ही जरूरी नहीं है, बल्कि उस सोच के हिसाब से अपनी भाषा, अपने शब्दों का चयन करना, अपनी आदतों का चयन करना, अपनी आदतों को परिवर्तित करना भी बेहद ज्यादा जरूरी है. Just thinking big will not make you successful. You have to speak and act accordingly. He also believes that you, me, all of us always have a choice. Whichever situation we are in at any given point in time, we always have a choice. In any situation, whether to do something or not to do, we always have a choice. In any situation, whether to say something or not to say, we always have a choice. In any situation, whether to take risk or not, we always have a choice. In any relation, whether to continue or not, we always have a choice. झूठे हैं वो लोग जो कहते हैं कि मेरे पास चॉइस नहीं है. असलियत तो ये है कि सही रास्ता चुनने का और उस रास्ते को चुनने के बाद उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस को फेस करने का जिगरा उनमें नहीं है. सो दे कन्वीनियंटली एस्केप बाय सेइंग भाई मेरे पास तो ना चॉइस नहीं है या मेरे पास कभी चॉइस नहीं थी. Remember, if you are in your 30s, then wherever you are in life, whatever is your emotional, financial, social or physical situation, it is all a result of your choices. भगवद गीता के दूसरे अध्याय का 56वां श्लोक कहता है दुखेषु द्विग्नमन सुखेषु विगत स्पृह वितराग भय क्रोध स्थित धीर मुनिरुच्यते, which means that the one who doesn't get too happy or too sad, the one who doesn't get too angry or too scared, the one who has the ability to remain calm and peaceful in all situations is someone whom we can call a balanced individual. A balanced individual is a person who can consciously choose his state of mind and the emotion that he wants to be in. And that's possible only when you look at happiness or your peace of mind as a matter of choice and not that of any consequence. Then comes the law of dominant thought, which says that a little positive thinking does not change anything. मतलब ये मत समझना कि सुबह उठकर थोड़ा विजुअलाइजेशन कर लिया, अफर्मेशन कर लिया तो जिंदगी चेंज हो जाएगी. जिंदगी चेंज करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू कैरी दैट पॉजिटिव फीलिंग और पॉजिटिव थॉट एज योर डोमिनेंट थॉट थ्रू आउट द डे. दिन भर में हमें कितने सारे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं, हम कितने सारे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव लोगों से मिलते हैं. आउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस वी हैव टू consciously choose and make the positive thought our dominant thought throughout the day. और ये हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? By repetition, by reinforcing the positive thought throughout the day, by listening to positive and uplifting songs or podcast, or maybe watching some motivational video or reading an inspiring book, maybe connecting with some positive and inspiring people. But remember, you have to do all of this every single day. That's how you will be able to sustain a positive feeling or emotion or thought as the dominant thought throughout the day. Next, the book shares some really good techniques like visualization and interpretation, which can help you have an amazing start to your day and help you to build a great attitude towards life. It also shares how having an interest in doing something or achieving something is totally different from being committed to doing something or achieving it. Interest will not guarantee success, but commitment will. Additionally, the book also shares 7 amazing benefits of any and every adversity or problem that you face in life and shares how adversities help you build a perspective towards life. And now, coming to my most favorite learning from this book, words are powerful. Words strongly impact emotional intensity. Words strongly impact the flow of energy. So make sure to choose your words very, very carefully. For example, अगर कोई आपसे पूछे हाउ आर यू, कैसे हैं आप, एंड इफ यू रिप्लाई ठीक हूँ, अच्छा हूँ या बस चल रहा है, टेल मी व्हाट यू थिंक, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ मैसेज डू यू कन्वे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी डू यू ट्रांसफर? नेगेटिव, राइट? एंड ऑन द फ्लिप साइड, इफ समवन आस्क्स यू हाउ आर यू, कैसे हैं आप, एंड इफ यू रिप्लाई एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम चकाचक, सुपर्ब, excellent, tell me what do you think, what kind of a message do you convey, what kind of energy do you transfer? Super positive, right? अब आप बोलोगे सर अगर हमें अच्छा फील ही नहीं हो रहा तो ऐसे झूठ बोलने का या अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स देने का क्या फायदा? तो लेट मी आस्क यू, अगर आपको अच्छा फील ही नहीं हो रहा तो ठीक हूं, अच्छा हूं, बस चल रहा है, ये बोलने से क्या कोई फायदा हो रहा है? नहीं ना। लेकिन बढ़िया हूं, चकाचक हूं, सुपर्ब, एक्सीलेंट हूं बोलने से योर माइंड एंड बॉडी get in motion. There's a shift in your level of energy. There's a shift in your nature of thoughts. And I can say this from my personal experience. पहले जब मुझे भी अगर कोई पूछ लेता कि मैं कैसा हूं तो मैं भी कुछ ऐसा ही जवाब देता, अच्छा हूं, ठीक हूं, आई एम ओके. बट आफ्टर हैविंग अंडरस्टूड द पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स, अब अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता है कि मैं कैसा हूं तो मेरा जवाब होता है स्मार्ट, डैशिंग एंड हैंडसम. ये सुनते ही सामने वाले के चेहरे पे तो मुस्कान आ ही जाती है, साथ ही मेरा भी चेहरा खिल उठता है. Using such strongly positive words will for sure not kill your problems. इससे आपकी कोई समस्या या परेशानी कम नहीं हो जाएंगी, लेकिन आपके मन में उन समस्याओं से, परेशानियों से लड़ने का, जीतने का साहस और आत्मविश्वास जरूर निर्माण हो जाएगा. Next, this book tells us why we have to completely stop nagging and complaining, and how the habit of complaining and nagging is turning us into a toxic individual. So, as I've said before, अपने आसपास देखो, अगर आपको कोई ऐसा इंसान दिखे जो बहुत nagging या complain करता है या करती है, make sure to gift this book to them without fail. Now, the next few amazing learnings like how to kill your fear or how to reframe any situation to get the best out of it, or how to change the way you look at failure, and most importantly, if you feel success is rare, if you feel successful people are rare, then how to be that rare person, how to be that successful person are some of the most amazing learnings of this book that can transform anyone's attitude from being bad to being good, and then from being good to being great. So, to be able to understand and implement all these learnings in your life, make sure to read this book without fail. Now, those were just few of the many amazing learnings that this book has to offer. जैसा मैंने वीडियो की शुरुआत में बताया था, if you are someone who's always worried about the future, or if you're unhappy, you're upset about your past, but you're trying and still unable to come out of it, then you must read this book without fail. साथ ही साथ अगर आपके आसपास ऐसा कोई भी व्यक्ति है जो बहुत कंप्लेन करता है या जो बहुत नैगिंग करता है या करती है, मेक श्योर टू गिफ्ट दिस बुक टू देम विदाउट फेल. पता है ना बुक की लिंक कहाँ है? अरे भाई बताया तो था, डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. यू सिंपली नीड टू क्लिक ऑन द लिंक एंड बाय दिस बुक फ्रॉम Amazon. और सबसे जरूरी बात, मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू स्टे अपडेटेड विद ऑल आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस.